Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a mirror watermark like in After Effects only by using Capcut. So you can start by writing your watermark like this in a green screen and then export it and open the project that you want to add the watermark. For example, I'm going to add into this projects right here. So let's using overlay and add the green screen like this, and then go to chroma key, remove background, chroma key, and click on this white color. Adjust the intensity and the shadow into 100. Click on the check icon and then export this project. Okay, just wait until it finishes. Don't click on done, but you need to go back to the projects before. So let's go back right here, click on the arrow, remove this green screen, and then add the new one that you just exported before. So I'm going to remove this first, add overlay again, then add a new one here. Okay, let's crop it first to make only the green screen shown. Click on resize, and then here I'm going to just block this. Now you can click on a check icon at the top, and then let's use the chroma key again to remove the green screen. So here, adjust the color picker into the green screen and just like that. So I think that's it. So this will be the result. So guys, you can see the watermark at the bottom. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.